Hey guys, it's your girl Portia. We're back with another lit video, and today we're about to be playing Subway Surfers to get a new high score. Dang it, the screen has to be up. I have a stand. Okay, there we go. Yeah, I used to love playing Subway Surfers on my phone, and on my phone I had a high score of 100 and something thousand. On this account, it's new, but I'm very good at Subway Surfers. This game is pretty easy. My favorite part is when the trains start coming. Oh, freak guy. I need my money. When I get past 1,000, I always gotta pull out that hoverboard. Oh, B. Oh my god. Hoverboard and these shoes make such a great trio. I can't do that in this tunnel. Oh, my favorite part, the trains. Oh, freak. Almost hit my head. Fine. Freak. See? Come get me. Too slow. How we go? Woo! Say. Oh, this is one of my other favorite parts. I just can do this. Watch. Ooh, 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 ooh. Go here. Make it free. One time the trains just all came in the middle and I died that way. Oh my god, I almost turned again. I actually don't know what my high score is. I almost died. I don't even know what is my high score. So we're just gonna be playing. I'm freaking about to crash out. That's it, I'm watching the ad. Fake. Well, I'm gonna let y'all skip to the next part. Unfortunately, I can't skip, but I'm gonna skip it to the next part. Y'all, we are back, and we better. They really think I want to actually play that game? Huh. Bruh. Bro, this is so freaking hard, bro. Yeah, let's go. And I can't just keep watching ads. So if I die again, I'm not watching another ad. Bro, how in the frick did I... Give me this tea, I need it. Yeah, get off my butt. Ooh. Oh my god, bro. I freaking hate this, bro. Why a zigzag line? Okay, I already saw the side. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yep, get out. That was kind of doomed. Give me my money. Ooh, I almost messed up. Oh, see, this is what I'm talking about. Yeah, I already can see the train. Ooh. Dang. Then double coins. Yes, yes. Just give me new high score, baby. Oh, new high score, baby. I'm taking a photo of this. New high score, baby. We did it. I really don't got nothing on this account. I barely even have skins on this account, bro. We'll go here. Bro, yes, I can see this event. I'm only seeing it for the money. See, I don't have any skins. All I have is Subway. And I have the robot. Because this robot is my favorite skin. But my favorite thing is the blue robot. 30 keys. I could buy it. But also I want him. And I'm far away from getting him. I maybe gonna buy the $5 coin. Okay. Because I have him on my other account. So. The ninja looks pretty sweet. Oh, no. Oh, heck no. Tracy. I meant Tricky. Yeah, but I like this skin because he got a bunny face mask. Oh my god. But I still like that one better. This one I will never be able to afford. Because guess what? 980,000. 980,000. I need that gold one. I don't even have the gold of him on my main account. I have this because I bought something on my other account. But with any purchase, I would just buy the 99-cent thing then. But I'm not going to do it right here. I'm not going to leak anything. Ooh, upgrades. Mostly I use this jetpack and the shoes. But right now I'm kind of broke. So. Okay. I'm going to play one more game and no ads. Ooh, thank you. Because I'm about to be playing this game. Bruh. Okay, last game. Because I'm on my grind. That's not what I literally, y'all saw that. I literally had 20,000. Told you. I almost had 30,000, but I freaking sold. At least I beat little boy. Let me see what he got. Hype. 7,923,791. And he has one of that? Oh my god. Imagine if she doesn't have it. I was about to say. View. Dang. 12 million. Wait a second. 12,838,000. And this girl had that. And this girl got more than him. That does not make sense. Don't got any friends. If you want to be my friend, you can be my friend. Comment if y'all play Subway. Comment down below your name and I can add y'all. I have been playing Subway Surfers for 3 years. I started when I got my first iPhone at 5, but looked at the game, didn't really like it at first. So after that, when I got it, my phone broke. My mom broke it by accident. So after that, I got an Android. So after I started playing Subway Surfers, after that, I loved the game. After I got an iPhone, my mom gave me her iPhone except she got a new phone. So then I got the phone. After I started playing Subway on that phone, and that account was stacked. Now they added so many new skins, you can barely even purchase skins. Oh my god! Oh, I didn't know that they have double jump. This is so cool. I've missed so many things. I'm so freaking dumb. We're going so slow, so time to speed it up. I want the game to go fast. One time the game was going so freaking fast. It was like, it was like this. Oh my god! I went to itch my leg. Okay, I'm playing with one hand. Okay, now I'm playing with two. Shorty. Oh freak. Oh my god, bro. This is so not fair. Uppy, uppy. Oh my god, I almost slipped. Oh. I'm trying to get this high score, baby. Get off my tail. Oh, I don't like this. Oh no, that's too much playing around. Oh my god, it's going so freaking fast, bro. Oh shoot. Oh my god. Heart attack? Oh no. I know this may be nothing to all the pros, but to me, oh shoot. Well. Billie Eilish, that's not. Dang. Bro, I hate these ads, bro. They act like a freaking bot on freaking purpose. That's why I freaking hate these ads, bro. Bro, come on, bro. I don't care about no panic here. I don't freaking care. 20,000, 9,000 away. Well, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe or like, and don't forget to comment down below which game I should play next, and comment down below your username so I can add you as a friend. Now, gotta get on with my day after I claim these rewards. Boom. Boom. Bro, why so many freaking ads, bro? I freaking hate Subway. Their ads are freaking... They're destroying me, bro. And they think I care about some Legos. If I actually care that much about Legos, I would go to the Lego store. But guess what? I'm not at the Lego store. Well, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And don't forget to comment down below your username in Subway Surfers or your username in Roblox. And I guess we'll see you next time. Or, yeah, I'm posting a video every day at 11. So see you next time. Peace.